question almost every day, when will it find me? Well, all around me castles falling down, but they were never real anyhow. And through the story and through the sound come up upon me. Well, who am I but the dust of the Most High, drifting like a leaf in the summer sky, hoping that one day you will see that what's inside of you is what's inside of me.
Yo soy compasión.
Welcome to the Chopra Center's second annual Global Meditation for Compassion.
Bienvenidos a la segunda meditación global por la compasión del Centro Chopra.
Compassion is a concept that brings up a lot for people. For me, compassion means that we can dissolve all boundaries with love, and that we can release separation and tap into our greatest sense of truth. What does compassion mean to you?
Well, in Spanish, compassion is compasión with passion. Passion for living, passion for a more generous world. We are part of a whole, oneness. That's compassion.
Pasión.
Pasión.
It's amazing how at this very moment, people from all over the world have come to meet here to meditate on the notion of compassion, reflect on what that means, and turn this into a global conversation.
One Love Movement is one of those organizations. Their mission is to share yoga with underprivileged women and youth. And so I would like to invite Kim Bauman up on the stage to share a little bit about One Love
Movement. So first, I'd like to start by thanking the Chopra organization for inviting me to come here and share my message. I am honored beyond belief and so touched to get to be up here in this moment. 3 years ago, I went on a humanitarian trip to Haiti with an organization called Off the Mat Into the World. And that was my first time being in an impoverished country, and we volunteered at several different orphanages. And it was in that moment that it hit me really hard, like a ton of bricks falling on my head, that it hit me, my circumstances. So as a baby, I was an orphan in Korea, and I realized for the first time how blessed I was. And all I could think about is that I could just see myself in all of these kids at the orphanages. And it was then that I became very present to my calling in life, and that was to help as many kids as possible. Kids that I see myself in, and kids that may never get the blessed life that I get to live. And so the One Love Movement was created. We raised significant amounts of money by hosting charity events to give back. And though our cause may be underprivileged and homeless youth, our mission is to inspire each of you to go out in your communities, to take action, and to make a difference in a way that serves your own heart. I would love to get to meet each of you, and I would love for you to be a part of what we do. Thank you so much.
So we're really honored to have Kim teaching a yoga class, a vinyasa flow class for us at 11 o'clock right after the global meditation right here on the grass. So even if you didn't bring a yoga mat, we have towels, and I just want to encourage you to experience Kim's open, loving heart through the practice of vinyasa yoga.
Open your arms out nice and wide, understanding that our arms and our hands are an extension of our heart.
Dr. Deepak Chopra.
So meditation is a way to quieten your mind, and there are many types of meditation: reflection, which leads to revelation, mindfulness, self-inquiry, self-awareness, transcendence, knowing the difference between what you see and what's really happening. But in one word, if meditation is effective, it should take you to the source of thought, which is not a thought, it's a field of awareness where we're all inseparably one.
How often do you think we can get to that source of thought?
If you're diligent, every day.
Every day.
And if you're really diligent, then all the time.
All the time.
A smile, a prayer, a little time, and your compassionate listening. The more loving kindness you express, the more the universe will give that love back to you.
It took a while for you to find me. I was hiding in the lime tree, above the city in the rain clouds. I poked a hole and watched the jet out. It took a while for you